Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we own battery saver in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to own your battery saver, so friends you can own it. And guys, now let's see how to own battery saver in our Tecno phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're in my channel. So when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So when first of all open your phone setting to own guys your battery saver. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So I scroll it and guys you can see guys your battery lab setting. So hence tap here to on guys your battery saver. So as you can see guys, there is no any guys battery saver mode setting. So how can you on? So as you can see guys, this advanced setting guys, tap here and guys you can see your battery saver. So friends, you want to on, so you can on from here. So guys your battery saver mode will on in your Tecno phone. So like that guys, you can on guys your battery saver in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe my channel. Bye friends.